Hey everybody, just wanted to show you some minor things. This house is for sale. They had an inspection list. New buyers wanted a few things done. The seller wants to have those few items done, so I'm here to do them. I'm in a pretty nice neighborhood. All these are backed up to water. All these have canal. I'll see if you can see there's a little boat in the background. So this side and all the way around, this is called Little Venetia, Clay CC in New Smyrna Beach. You can look it up. But basically it's, water access right to the inner coastal Ponce Inlet. Take you in a walk through. First thing is there's a big 3-car garage. Check this out. I wanted to show everybody this. See if there is a light switch. I guess not. Huh. There we go. Check this attic out. Staircase. Climate controlled. So it's all blown in. Look at this big old attic. Nice, right? But yeah, it's all textured and everything, Walk up here with everything. Central vac system, which is over there. Let's see here. Another little storage area underneath the stairs that lead to the attic. So you have basically like another little pantry in your 3-car garage. So you come in this way, you have your laundry area. Laundry sink and cabinets, a lot nicer than my laundry room is. So they have this house built. We got a guest bedroom here. This place is only a 2-bedroom. They made it a 3-bedroom, and I'll show you what they did in a minute. So basically this is a bedroom with a master, well, just with its own stand-up walk-in shower, toilet, vanity. So big tall doors, 8-footers everywhere throughout. This was the gentleman's office. So he had a glass office overlooking the rest of the house. Now I'm standing at the front door. I'm gonna show you the pool out there in a minute. So you would actually walk into the house. This would be the living area. The kitchen, and obviously this is set up for entertaining. All glass everywhere. And then you have the outside pool area. I'll show you that in 1 second. So then you have another full bath right here, just off the pool, obviously. So you have this kitchen, it's great for entertaining. You're standing here, you got all your guests out here, you got your guest out by the pool, you got another door there out to the pool, but you also have a little wine rack, wet bar area. You have a second refrigerator that can go in here. This is called a Butler Pantry, which you don't see many of. So you literally could put a secondary fridge here with an ice maker and put all your pantry. It's a big ass pantry, guys. But you can set up all your hors d'oeuvres and everything else and keep your counters all clear for entertaining. Carpets all are toast, obviously. They're gonna have to get them ripped out. There's speakers throughout. There's, this house was built in 05. The owners that were living here previously did build it. This was a additional office guest room. A while back I put this thing together for them. They bought this before they listed the house. Now it's considered a bedroom. technically it's not. So, but that's a little closet that they got so somebody can make this a bedroom. But it is heated and aired, double French doors going out to the pool. You know, I wouldn't consider it a bedroom. It's more like a office area, but that's what he used as his office. Looks like a DJ booth, right? So this is something that I'm fixing while I'm here. They had these little holes. You see that little hole? So they had this built. They left the TV because it fits. Well, it's an older TV, but and they have some holes there. Then they ran for, like, somebody ran their own speakers or something or other later on. Here's the master. You know, oh, I didn't show you, so let me show you the crown molding and everything in here too. It's big boy. It's pretty big stuff. Big high ceilings, you know, old school art stuff. So, but really neat. You know, there's speakers up there if you can see in the corners. You know, so it's the whole house is wired in. And then this was there. That's the back of the TV in the living room. Access panels. He had all of his network stuff in here, obviously. A lot of it's ripped out. Safe. But this is their master closet, one of them that they use, but they have access to all their audio stuff. Here is the master bathroom. And something that I love is all the light and the windows that they have here. So there's another closet that they have, I guess for whatever. Toilet area. This is gonna be for your soap, whatever. Check this out, this is the shower. They got a little garden right outside. All glass. They got the bench seat, but it's a walk-through. So you can literally just walk right on through in either way you want. Big tall ceilings too. I love the tall ceilings. But yeah, it's pretty neat shower. Let me take you guys out back. Obviously there's French doors leading from there, going into the pool area. French doors over there, obviously. So another thing I have to do is address the weather stripping at the front door. That's minor. I have a few holes to plug outside where they took some things off the house. Not a big deal. Here's the outside area. So, entertainment area, kitchen. Got the built-in grill. Now you're subject to buying another grill that fits in that slot. So that's why a lot of people don't do that anymore. Or have it repaired or replaced or whatever. Hopefully you got a good warranty. So, yep, big covered area. Some old fans. But the pool, jacuzzi, it's all screened in. They're replacing the fire pit, the insert. That should be done today. But yeah, I love how they have all the stuff overhanging in by the pool. There's a water fountain over there. I don't know if you can see the rocks going up. One thing there's the French doors going to that office bedroom area. And then obviously you have another screen door over there. Area so you can mount a TV. You know, right there. You can see where somebody's painted around it. But here's something that I'm repairing today, which is here. There's a water hookup. You can see the blue nozzle there. That is a water line. They had a misting fan. I don't know why the owners took the misting fan out. I would have probably just left it. But now there's a little damage there, and we're going to do what we can to get rid of that. And obviously we'll try figuring that out. But yeah, just minor little things I have to take care of. What else I do like is these sliding glass doors retract all the way. They slide completely out of the way, so this totally opens up, which is not what you want in the summer here, but in the cooler months or the evenings is wonderful here in Florida. But just a quick overview of this house and what I have to do. So new owners want a few things done, minor things obviously, but in any event the sellers will do these things. They'll pay to get these couple things done, and we'll get this place sold for them and get it done. But anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one.